Ever felt like you're shouting into the void when you need help with an online tool? You know the feeling, you're stuck, you need an answer, and you just can't seem to connect with a living soul. It's frustrating, right? Especially when that tool is crucial for your business, something like your online booking system. We all rely on these platforms to keep our operations running smoothly, to manage appointments, and to ensure our clients have a seamless experience. But what happens when things go a little sideways? When a setting isn't quite right, a booking isn't showing up, or you just have a fundamental question that the FAQ section can't quite answer? That's when the real headache begins. You start clicking around, searching for a Contact Us button that seems to be playing hide and seek, or perhaps a phone number that leads to an endless automated menu. It's a common struggle, and it's one that can significantly impact your productivity and even your bottom line. Now, let's talk about Setmore. For many of you watching, Setmore is your go-to for scheduling. It's powerful, it's intuitive, and it generally does what it's supposed to do. But like any software, there will be moments when you need a little human intervention. Maybe you're trying to integrate with a new payment gateway, or you're wrestling with a specific calendar sync issue, or perhaps you just have a very niche question about a particular feature. When these moments arise, knowing exactly how to reach Setmore support can be the difference between a minor hiccup and a major operational standstill. Today, we're going to dive deep into exactly that, how to effectively reach Setmore support. We're not just going to tell you where to click. We're going to explore the various avenues available, the best practices for each, and how to maximize your chances of getting a swift and helpful resolution. This isn't just about finding a contact form. It's about understanding the support ecosystem Setmore has in place so you can navigate it like a pro. Think of this as your comprehensive guide to getting the help you need when you need it directly from the source. So, let's banish those support-seeking frustrations and equip you with the knowledge to connect with Setmore whenever you need assistance. First things first, let's talk about the quickest and often most effective initial point of contact: the in-app chat. When you're logged into your Setmore account, you'll typically see a chat icon, often in the bottom right corner of your screen. This isn't just a bot, although there might be some automated responses to guide you initially. This is your direct line to a live support agent during their operating hours. The beauty of the in-app chat is its immediacy. You can describe your issue in real time, share screenshots if necessary, and get an almost instantaneous response. This is ideal for quick questions, minor troubleshooting, or clarifying specific features. Before you even think about emailing or calling, try the chat. It often provides the fastest path to a solution. When using the chat, be clear and concise. Provide as much detail as possible about your problem, including any error messages you're seeing or the specific steps you've taken that led to the issue. The more information you provide upfront, the less back and forth will be required, and the faster you'll get to a resolution. Now, while the in-app chat is fantastic for real-time interactions, sometimes you have a more complex issue that requires a more detailed explanation, or perhaps you're outside of the chat's operating hours. In these scenarios, email support is your next best bet. You can usually find the dedicated support email address on Setmore's official website, typically in their Contact Us or Support section. When composing your email, treat it like a formal request for assistance. Start with a clear subject line that summarizes your issue. For example, instead of problem, try issue with Google Calendar Sync, or unable to process payments via Stripe. In the body of the email, explain your problem thoroughly. Include your Setmore account email address. This helps them locate your account quickly. A detailed description of the issue. What exactly is happening? The steps you've already taken to try and resolve it. This avoids them suggesting solutions you've already tried. Any relevant screenshots or video recordings. Visuals can often convey more than words. The date and time the issue occurred. The specific browser and device you are using. The more information you provide, the less follow-up questions they'll need to ask, and the faster they can diagnose and resolve your problem. While email might not be instantaneous, it provides a written record of your communication and allows you to attach multiple files, which can be invaluable for complex issues. Beyond direct communication, Setmore also offers a comprehensive knowledge base and a robust FAQ section. While these aren't support in the traditional sense of direct interaction, They are incredibly powerful self-help tools that can often provide immediate answers to common questions. Before you even think about contacting support, take a few minutes to search their help documentation. Many common issues, feature explanations, and setup guides are clearly laid out in these resources. You might find that the answer to your question is just a few clicks away, saving you time and effort. Familiarize yourself with how to navigate these sections. Knowing where to look for self-help can significantly reduce the need for direct support in the first place. Another often overlooked resource is Setmore's social media presence. While not a primary support channel, major platforms like Twitter or Facebook can sometimes be useful for general inquiries or to quickly check if there's a widespread issue affecting other users. However, for account-specific or sensitive information, always revert to the in-app chat or email. Public social media is not the place to discuss personal account details. Finally, let's talk about what not to do. Avoid sending multiple emails for the same issue or repeatedly trying to engage in separate chat sessions for the same problem. This can clutter their support system and potentially delay your resolution. Stick to one channel and provide all the necessary information up front. Be patient. While Setmore aims for quick resolutions, some issues are more complex and require more time to investigate. Follow up politely if you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame, but avoid being aggressive or demanding. Remember, the support agents are there to help you, and a collaborative approach usually yields the best results. So, to recap, your primary and most efficient options for reaching Setmore support are in-app chat for immediate, real-time assistance with quick questions and troubleshooting, email support for more complex issues that require detailed explanations and attachments, or when chat is unavailable, self-help resources. Their knowledge base and FAQ section are invaluable for common questions and immediate answers. By understanding these avenues and utilizing them effectively, you can ensure that whenever you encounter a hiccup with your Setmore account, you know exactly how to get the help you need, quickly and efficiently. Don't let support frustrations slow down your business. Empower yourself with this knowledge and keep your operations running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.